Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Fanny Purningrum from Statistics Study Program. In this video, I will discuss the pros and cons of the government must immediately stop coal mining in Indonesia. Government must immediately stop coal mining in Indonesia. This motion states that the Indonesia government must immediately stop all coal mining activity in this territory. Coal is one of the world's most important sources of energy derived from the accumulation of dead and incompletely decomposed plant remains, which are then well preserved in oxygen-free or anaerobic condition. For example, at the bottom of lake or in very fine grained sodium, coal is used to fuel nearly 40% of electricity generation worldwide. Coal has played a very important role for ensuring not only generation electricity, but it is also the main fuel for steel production, cement alumina processing, and plastic center, paper mills, and chemical. In addition, coal byproducts include soap, aspirin, soap, and dyes, plastic, and fiber. However, coal also has the negative characteristic of being of the most pollution energy source due to its high carbon content. Other important energy sources such as natural gas are less pollution but more susceptible to price fluctuation on the world market. Indonesia is one of the world's largest coal producer and exporter in 2005 when it surpassed Australian production. Indonesia has been the leading exporter of the thermal coal. A significant portion of the export thermal coal consisted of medium quality types and low quality types, for which most of the demand comes from China and India. Indonesia carries significant negative impact on the environment, public health, and long-term economy. Therefore, it is important for the government to immediately stop coal mining and switch to more sustainable and renewable energy sources. The first is a negative environmental impact, which include air pollution and ecosystem damage. Coal mining produces greenhouse gas emissions such as CO2 and methane, which contribute to climate change and global warming. This can lead to various natural disasters such as floods, droughts, and more extreme storms. Coal mining activity destroy natural habitat and biodiversity and pollute groundwater and rivers. This can lead to species extinction and disrupt the balance of the ecosystem. Negative economic impact depends on non-renewable natural resources. Coal is non-renewable natural resource and will run out eventually. Over-reliance on coal could make Indonesia vulnerable to price fluctuation and energy crisis in the future. Lost livelihoods or the cessation of the coal mining will indeed result in job loss in the sector. However, this can be offset by the creation of the new jobs on the more environmentally friendly and sustainable renewable energy sector. Healthy coal mining in Indonesia is not only important to protect the environment and public health, but also ensure a sustainable economic future, and the government must be immediately take a concrete step to transition to renewable energy and source and help community affected by the coal mining phase out. A sudden halt to coal mining in Indonesia could have a significant negative impact on the economic, social stability, and national energy security. Negative economic impact, loss of revenue and jobs. Coal is one of the largest sources of state revenue and foreign exchange earner to Indonesia. Halt of coal mining could lead to loss of state revenue, investment, and jobs in the sector, resulting in increased unemployment and poverty. Impact on the real estate sector, coal-independent industry such as power plants, cement industry, and steel industry will experience operation disruption and potentially increase production costs. This could trigger inflation and negative impact the competitiveness of national industry. Social impact, social instability, the cessation of the code, meaning could lead to social turmoil in areas and depend on the sector of as their main source of livelihood. Community that lost job and could potentially organize protest and demonstration. Social conflict, land dispute, and struggle over natural resources and result from the code, meaning shutdown that can trigger social conflict and between community and with mining company. As the conclusion, I think ending the mining in Indonesia is not the right solution because it has a negative impact on the economy, energy security, social justice, and there is not ready energy alternative. Gold mining in Indonesia is still need to support the economy and meet national energy needs. Its environmental impact can be reduced with technology and stricter regulation. And the development of renewable energy needs to be done in stage. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.